Woodworking is not just a hobby. It can be a lucrative venture if you know what to create. Today, I'll be sharing some of the fastest selling woodworking project ideas that not only look great, but also have a high demand in the market. Before we kick off the projects, let's discuss what you need to get started. From selecting the right type of wood to gathering essential tools, I'll give you everything you need to know so you can efficiently whip up these items without any fuss. Don't worry if you're not a master woodworker. These projects are designed to be simple and accessible for anyone, regardless of skill level. I've curated a list of projects that require minimal time and materials, but yield impressive results. We'll start with a fan favorite, personalized wooden signs. These are incredibly popular for home decor. And with a bit of custom engraving, you can create unique pieces that buyers are eager to snatch up. Next up, wooden coasters. Everyone loves a stylish set of coasters to protect their furniture while adding a touch of personality to their home. I'll show you some creative designs that sell like hotcakes. Let's not forget about garden planters. With the rising interest in indoor and outdoor gardening, custom planters are flying off the shelves. I'll share how to craft attractive, functional designs that can elevate any plant. Another trendy item is handmade charcuterie boards. These have become staples for entertaining guests, and I'll guide you through making a beautifully crafted board that also showcases your skills. Throughout the video, I'll provide quick tips on how to finish each project to enhance its appeal. A nice finish can make all the difference, so don't skip this crucial step. I'll also touch upon pricing strategies to ensure that you're making a fair profit. Understanding how to value your time and materials will help you succeed in selling your creations. Speaking of selling, I'll share some effective marketing techniques and platforms where you can showcase your work, whether at local craft fairs, online marketplaces, or through social media channels. I want to hear from you. As you watch, feel free to share your thoughts, questions, and any project ideas you have in the comments. Engaging with each other is a great way to build our woodworking community. Marketing is key to getting your products noticed. I'll provide some practical marketing strategies to help you reach potential customers and make your woodworking business thrive.